2007 Intrepid 350 Walkaround. It's gently used and coming on the market for sale. It's got the Garmin upgrades, bow thruster, only 490 hours on the twin Mercury 275s. It's got the folding bench, the power seats. It's got plenty of rocket tubes for your fishing rods. Obviously you can walk right up to the bow. Beauty of these boats is the captain is right with their guests as you're cruising down the intercoastal. You can understand it's the perfect boat for South Florida. Let's go look at the cabin. Oh, very nice, easy slider. We come down and we've got your power, refrigerator, plenty of storage all